Good morning, guys. We're coming to you from Bryson City, North Carolina. Welcome back to the channel. We have something special planned for you today. Where are we at?
Bryson City, North Carolina. We are about to board this beautiful train and do the train ride through the mountains. Come on with us.
This should be fun. Let's go. So guys, while we're waiting for the train, we decided to pop into one of these little stores. And this is one of the things I love about coming to the Smoky Mountains. There's so many little stores like this that you can pop into, like gift shops, find things that you want to pick up for yourself or a family member, somebody else, if you want to get something for them as well. But there's tons of stuff in here. I think I need to go find my wife before she starts spending too much more money before we get on the train. And I just bought a stocking cap last night, a beanie cap to put on my head, but I don't know where it's at. We couldn't find it this morning, so now I have to buy another one. So we're in the store getting another one now. So anyway, we'll see you guys on the train in just a bit. So guys, we finally made it onto the train and it looks fantastic on here. I don't know why I didn't expect for it to look like Christmas decorations. This is very Christmassy. We got some special people with us. If you've been on the channel before, you've seen them. Our brother and sister, Joe and Melissa. I'm gonna let you see what they look like real quick.
Hi.
Joe was hiding. Guys, if you ever make it to North Carolina, Bryson City, this has to be a stop for you. I'm so excited about this train ride. We're gonna see what we can see in the mountains, and I think there's a stop halfway. Another little town we stop at, Dillingham or something like that. But obviously we'll show you that as well once we get there. So let's go for a ride.
Raise your hand, first time. Just so you folks know, and I don't want you to be worried. It's my second time on the train. I probably wouldn't laugh if I were you. Last week I was on a prison train.
Oh my God.
I was not dressed like this. But you're in good hands, trust me. Alright folks, on the count of 3, yell at the top of your lungs where you're from. And I'll remember that by the time we get back here to Bryson City. I am that good. I had a lot of time to study in prison. 1, 2, 3. Kentucky! I'll slow down for Pittsburgh. I got it. If you don't believe me, ask me when we get back. I've never missed. Last but not least, folks, if you have a paper ticket, and you want me to punch your ticket, I'll punch your ticket. If you have tickets on your phone, I will punch your phone as long as you got insurance on it. Anybody got tickets they won't punch? Husbands, wives, kids, we punch them all here.
As we chugged down the tracks toward Dillsboro, the world outside our window turned into a living postcard. The Tuckasegee River shimmered beside us, twisting through the foothills of the Smoky Mountains like a silver ribbon. Every curve in the rails revealed something new. Towering trees, rolling hills, and even one lone elk grazing in an open field, completely unbothered by the big train rumbling past. It felt like he'd shown up just to welcome us to the mountains. When we slowed through Wilmot, North Carolina, the town looked straight out of a Christmas storybook. Festive lights, bold colors, and a full-on North Pole vibe that lit up the space. you couldn't help but smile. It was small town holiday magic at its finest. But the ride wasn't just scenery. It was history and a little bit of YouTube chaos. Along the riverbank, you can still see the old stack of cars piled up as an erosion barrier, an unusual but fascinating reminder of how people in this region protect their land. And yes, we even passed the remnants of that famous train crash from one of MrBeast's wild YouTube stunts. Only on this ride do you get breathtaking views and a side order of viral history. Soon after, we plunged into a long, pitch-black tunnel, one of those moments where the darkness feels endless and everyone goes quiet, waiting for the light on the other side. And when we finally emerge, the tracks deliver us into this charming, storybook perfect town of Dillsboro, North Carolina. Beautiful, cozy, and framed by the mountains, it was the perfect ending to an unforgettable ride. Alright guys, so after such a really cool train ride, we finally landed here to explore the town of Dillsboro, and this street is lined with tons of shops. You can come in here and pop into these stores, find Christmas gifts obviously since we're in that season, but tons of other things if you're looking for it. But Dillsboro is a great town to come visit, especially if you're in the Christmas vibes. Let's go check out the rest of it. Guys, we just stopped at the Great Commission coffee shop, and this place is fantastic. We just got a hot chocolate and a small coffee, and it was like $3.15. So I think I found the town that we want to move to. What about you?
Yes.
You want to move to Dillsboro?
I do, yes.
It's very beautiful, very picturesque, like Norman Rockwell type town. Hills right up in the background. We got to figure out how to charge my wife's phone, so let's figure this out. Alright guys, so we've had a fantastic day in Dillsboro. Found a cool little coffee shop and some other little places to explore. The river is right there next to the town, and we are all loaded back on the train, getting ready to head back into Bryson to explore there a little bit. So let's see what this ride's gonna be like on the way back. Alright guys, we're back in Bryson City at Uncle Bunky's Christmas store, and I mean it's all about Christmas in here. Some really cool ornaments, decorations. If you're in the Christmas spirit and you're in Bryson City, North Carolina, this is a place you want to check out, Uncle Bunky's. As you can see, we got the funnel cake already, guys. It looks delicious. It tastes super good. It is fresh, it's hot, it's pillowy, right?
And crunchy on that.
Crunchy on the outside, sugary.
And we also ordered a fried Twinkie. I've never had one before.
Me either. You got some sugar on your face.
I told you we're gonna get it everywhere.
My sugar's got sugar on her face.
Aww.
Anyway, we're gonna get the fried Twinkie. Melissa and Joe are waiting on us over there. We'll eat some of this, but not ruin dinner tonight because I'm sure we'll go somewhere cool. In these Smoky Mountains, between North Carolina and Tennessee, there are so many cool places to eat in so many different areas. Even if you get outside of town and get up in the hills, there are so many cool restaurants tucked away in these hills in these small towns. You can't go wrong anywhere roaming around the Smoky Mountains.
Right.
So she loves it. I'm happy. We'll see y'all in a little while.